Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Statistics problems like this one look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by identifying the population mean and calculating the correct standard error. The mean of the sampling distribution is always equal to the population mean. Since our population mean is 23.2, the sampling distribution mean remains exactly 23.2. To find the standard deviation of the sample mean, divide the population standard deviation by the square root of the sample size. 2.4 divided by 2 equals 1.2. Comparing our results to the given choices, we see that option B matches our calculated mean of 23.2 and our standard deviation of 1.2. Boom! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't skip sample size or divide the mean. Use standard error and fix population mean.